Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to create a graph with lines and bars together in Excel. This is something that's useful if you want to plot some data such as a trend line or a run chart where you have two different types of data that you're going to plot both on a time axis, and one of them you want to show as lines and one of them you want to show as bars. So I have an example here that maybe will better illustrate this, where I've got some made up production data. Column A is the week, column B is the number of widgets produced, and column C is the number of defects. And we want to make a chart that has the widgets on a line chart and the defects on a bar chart. So the first thing we do, and there's many ways to do this, but just the one way I'm going to show you, is select the whole range of data, including the headers, and then depending on your operating system, find the charts menu. And I always like to start with a scatter chart, and we select the scatter chart, and because we had the range selected, it immediately makes the chart. Here we've got the week on the x-axis, and we got the widgets and the defects up on the y-axis. And what we want to do is we want to show the defects as a bar chart instead of a line chart. The first thing I want to do, though, is just real quick, I want to make the defects on a secondary axis. So what you do, if you have a Macintosh, hold the Control key down. If you have a Windows machine, do a right click, select on the data, and then select Format Data Series, and select on, we'll go back to Axis here, and select on Secondary Axis. And there we've got the defects are now on the right-hand axis, and I just want to quickly rescale that. So we double click on the numbers on the axis, and we're going to rescale it to 500 just so that they both show separately. Now, the final thing we want to do is we want to make the defects into a bar chart instead of points which you could connect with lines to make a line chart. So what we're going to do is, whoops, I accidentally clicked that. We're going to select, just single click on the defects, and then go up to, in this case, we're going to make a column chart. We click on the columns option under the different types of charts, and we select one of those options. And there we have it. The defects are now on a bar chart, the widgets are a line chart, and just finally I'll just actually make the widgets, it started out without a line. We're going to select a line color here, and there we go. And there we have it. Now the widgets are a line chart, the defects are a bar chart. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to create a chart with combined lines and bars in Excel. Thank you for watching.